Welcome to the case study presentation of Maleza Cero, Zero Weed, a communication campaign designed to accompany Argentinian farmers in the new herbicide resistance challenge. This case study was prepared together by the marketing and technical teams of Magan, Argentina. First, a little bit of context. Weed resistance to glyphosate arrived in Argentina in 2006. Since then, the problem has developed and is a growing concern for farmers and agrochemical companies. The issue of resistant weeds has increased the use of old herbicides. As a consequence, herbicides is the fastest growing segment in the market in recent years. However, there is little knowledge among farmers about how and when to use these products properly, and there is a demand for information that companies are looking to meet. Herbicide-resistant weeds are changing the way we do agriculture in Argentina. As in other parts of the world, the combination of glyphosate, Roundup-resistant crops and no-till cultivation had created the illusion of a relatively easy and cheap agriculture. However, this model is disappearing with resistant weeds. We are now facing a more complex system that will require more technical knowledge from farmers, and as a result, they are looking for more information about ways to control resistant weeds in their fields. As an example, internet searches for Maleza, one of Argentina's main difficult weeds, have boomed in the last few years. Herbicides is the main segment of the agrochemical market, with 64% of total turnover. Most of this share is explained by chemical fallow and soybean, the two segments that have grown the most in the last years. So the challenge for us was, how do we provide solutions to farmers for difficult weeds using the communication technologies? At the same time, how to position ourselves in this segment, increasing awareness of our complete portfolio of herbicides, and especially how to strengthen our relationship with the farmer, our end user. The solution we came up with was to implement a program called Maleza Cero, which means zero weed. The idea was to use this umbrella brand to coordinate both present and future efforts related to resistant weeds. The program was built together with a communication campaign that related the problem of weeds with a nightmare. One of the most visible actions of Maleza Cero was the creation of a website where we included information on Argentina's main difficult weeds. We also used this platform to showcase our complete set of herbicides with recommendations for each weed. Before the launch of the website, we organized a contest, inviting farmers to share their experiences with resistant weeds. The winner was a grower from Entre Rios, who told us how he was dealing with Maleza in his field. We also did a round of workshops for technical advisors across the country, where we invited renowned specialists to discuss local issues. We published a pocket guide with information on the main resistant weeds. This is a very handy document where farmers can learn about the weeds in their region and the Magan's products that are most effective to control them. We sponsored the aaa4a2 Congress, one of the main national farming events. We used the occasion to promote the Maleza Cero website and distribute the pocket guides. We invited an international weed specialist, Dr. Shanner, from the Colorado State University, to give a web conference in Agrositio, one of Argentina's main agribusiness websites. The next day, Dr. Shanner also gave a face-to-face seminar for farmers and technicians in Rosario. We also organized a meeting at a hotel in Buenos Aires with renowned local experts to introduce the company and show them our portfolio. An international weed researcher gave a presentation about weed management, and in the afternoon we organized a workshop to discuss future market trends. Of course, the program includes an increased effort of our development team in terms of running more trials across the country in order to come up with new product mixes that will bring solutions to farmers for difficult weeds. We are in the process of creating a comic book about resistant weeds. Here, the idea is to use a superhero to explain weed management concepts to farmers in a friendly way, and at the same time get them to know more about our products. The benefits of Maleza Cero for farmers were simple information about resistant weeds, training with experts, solutions in terms of products and recommendations for controlling their weeds, and the possibility to learn more from their colleagues' experiences. For Magan, the benefits were to have a better coordination and efficacy of action under a single umbrella brand, a good online platform for showcasing our products, increased brand equity and awareness of our portfolio, better client satisfaction, and an improved access to the farmer. Some results showed that the website received a good number of visits. The workshops had a high attendance rate, with positive feedback from farmers and advisors in the satisfaction survey. The web conference was viewed by a large number of people, both live and in the recorded version uploaded to the website. In addition, very important, our sales in herbicides continued to grow in 2013, with a greater variety of products. In the last 8 months, Maleza Zero and its actions came from just an idea to a concrete reality, and we are planning to carry on with more actions in the future. Muktashi Magan's values were put into action with the Maleza Zero program. It brings simplicity to such a complex issue as resistant weeds. It empowers people, giving tools to farmers for weed control. Passion is present as well. We are all enthusiastic about being part of a change in Argentina's agriculture. Finally, get it done. We saw the opportunity and were fast to implement many actions in 8 months. The Maleza Zero program has allowed us to learn that the glyphosate experience shows that good tools need to be protected by sustainable use. Cooperation across different areas of the company achieves better results. There is a huge interest for information among farmers. The simplicity of an umbrella brand has allowed a more effective communication. The most effective messages are those that consider local specificities. Digital media are powerful tools for bringing fast solutions to farmers. Knowing your market is key. Detect changes and be ready to react fast. To sum up, we might say that the 3 pillars of Maleza Zero are: put farmer at the center, deliver simplicity, go digital. Thank you.